Hi, today we are going to learn how to convert the any given string format of the date into the required date format in SQL Server. Actually, we may have get the lot of issues with the required dates in the SQL Server tables. Let us see. We can say this if you look into this formats. We are expecting that the date format we are going to have in the varchar, so which is something which is not the real date format. But we know that the date format should be provided by the when we are providing whatever the data we are getting, we need to define that what is the data type format we are getting. So then we can convert into the using a function which you have created for this one. So what exactly we required for this one is there are two master tables we need to define first. So this is the master table. So where we are defining the expected date formats from the whatever the varchar formats we are receiving, and this is just a sample date how it is what exactly the date format means of the date format. It is not really required anywhere in the function. It is just a simple whatever we can say that it is an example to the user how the if they select this date format what kind of how the data should be date format should be. So this is the actually just a sample date, and the exact thing is what happening is in the date form once we insert the date format here dd the space mmyy. So we have to define the date start position. Let us take in this one the date start position is from the first column, and the length of the date is two characters, and month start position is after the it is the fourth position, and it is having another two characters as a length. So like this actually the same thing for the year is starting from seventh position, it is having two. If you look at this section here, actually year is having four positions. So from the seventh position, it is having four characters. Length is four characters. So like this, we have to define all the expected formats. Don't worry about what are the whether it is a standard format in the what as per the system or not. No need to worry about that. This is just a format what exactly we are defining the UI. If the user feels that this format is applicable, it can be applicable for their system for the date formats what they are providing. Then just simply select this option against that field whatever the user is selecting for that. So it will automatically apply these rules. So if you say look at this one, this is the April 2018. So we can see this is the April 2018 where exactly it is here. Yeah. Okay. So we are having DDMMYY. So whether it is a capital letter or small letter, it doesn't matter. So we just define it as the small letter or capital letter, whatever it is. Just what the exact thing what we need is just what we are referring for. So if it is a DD, yes, DD it is there. If it is three characters of for the date, just mention it is three characters. If you feel that this is the full length of the month, then you can define instead of a triple M, you can mention it as a 4Ms so that we can consider here. If you see this one, this is actually considered as the triple M. Actually, I need to change it to 4Ms. Actually, it should because it is the length is high. Let me change the value. Okay, this is the 4M, let us take, we will take it as a 4Ms. Okay, then it should not be a problem. Okay. Okay, so okay, 4Ms we can say it as it is for the December format, it's a complete month name format. Okay, the function what I have defined, what I have created is just this one, is the get string to date format. Just I am uploading this one into the GitHub so you can directly create this function and get this date format, whatever the format you want. So now let us execute all these samples, whatever date formats I have created. So when we execute all these dates, we will get the result as the 2018 0415 format, which is the YYY, MM and DD format. So here we are having different versions of dates, but still we will get the single format. See, so we got all the dates as a 2018, 14, 15. So this is way how we can convert the functions, whatever the date format we are receiving into the required date format as in the SQL. Thank you, friends.